Hi YouTube, and today we are at a Petro gas station which have a super wash soft cloth system. You know it will be a McNeil system again as always. So let's go ahead through our entrance. And there's a little bit of a lineup as always. Here's the bay. Someone's back in there for some reason again. Cannot get on the conveyor belt again, I think. See? Another bad driver. I've been finding a lot of bad drivers lately. I'm not sure who will get this. Man, the conveyor belt is turned on the left. You need to make a really sharp curve. And I don't think a lot of people can do that. Well, I'll start it up again as soon as we get closer. Guess what? The guy's driving ahead again. You know that? He's driving into the wash. See? He's driving ahead.
Do you believe it?
Yeah, another bad driver. Hopefully this will go well. See, you will really need to make this sharp curve here. This guy cannot get on the conveyor belt again. Oh, he's driving all over the ramp. God. He's off the ramp. Wow. And he bounced back in. Wow, eh? With a lot of bad drivers cannot make this turn here. Oh, he got it. It's really interesting that they have a conveyor belt and it will not hook on. It will hook on to your front wheels instead of the back wheels. That's really interesting to see. Don't go yet. Oh, we can go. Here we go. Let's see if we can make this turn.
Is it wait or go?
Go, it says. So watch the meal. This is an old Petro system. I'm not sure if it's a McNeil system because it has metal curtains. I think it has an older McNeil system. I'm not sure. Tap the card. On neutral. And there we go. See? You can see the metal curtains moving with the track posted. It's looking really old. I'm thinking it is an older McNeil system. I'm honestly not sure. We are getting the tri-foam. A nice coverage of the tri-foam, a little bit watery. Now we're getting the metal curtain. And here comes the brushes. This brush is not touching the car a little bit. Now it is. We're getting the walker pin brushes here. And we're getting the middle coating. And more walker pin brushes. We're getting the clear coat protective. the mirror has been pushed out. We will fix that.
What the seven? Come on.
And here comes the dryers. We have superior dryers here, so that's why we do a great job. Someone stop in the middle of a driveway. They should not do that. So that's why we do a great job. Whoa, we stopped! We stopped. And there we go. We got stuck back there. And because of us stopping, the dryers are doing a great job, I think. Sign saying wait. I guess we can go ahead now. Put my we're pushing ahead now. Now we can go. I guess I'll push up over there. There you go. And that's the Petro car wash, located in Toronto on Shepherd Avenue. Looks like this wash has done a great job. Well, thanks for watching. Really hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Have a good day.